Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Devinshal. Like previously I've told you, we will be just building many of the things related to HTML and CSS, and we have also built many of the things and cover up related to HTML and CSS, and I hope you all enjoy that projects and enjoy that all things which we have made, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this video. So in today's video we will be just building a web page which will be having conference, so it will be naming as conference web page in HTML and CSS we will be making today, and it will be really good video and helpful video for you, and I hope you'll be learning from this video also. So if you are learning from this video and enjoying this, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family members so they can learn how to do code, what is coding, and how to make these projects which we are making with HTML and CSS. Like I've telling you also, when we'll be covering a beginners project of this series, then we'll be moving and making these all projects in advanced and intermediate level, and I hope you'll be understanding that. But before doing that, we have to make it in beginner so everybody can clear like how to build these projects in starting and how to cover them in intermediate and advanced level project. In future videos I will be telling you how to do. So I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying this video. So just now we'll be starting with our video. So like I've telling you, we will be just building a conference page in HTML and CSS, so we have to just start building that. So you can see I am having two files on my desktop. One is of index.html and one is of style.css. So we'll be working with these both files. Simply I have to open my Sublime text editor on my search bar so I can work with that, because Sublime text I was just also using previously on. So today also I will be using that. Simply I'll be opening that by writing Sublime text on the search bar. If you are having shortcut icon on your desktop, you can directly open from there. So here I'll be raising all the codes which is previously written, because we have made many of the project previously on, so because of that these codes were written. So here you can see now our files are empty. You can see here I will be opening my index.html file on my Opera browser because it is my default browser. If you are having your default browser Google Chrome or any other, so you can work with that, but I am having Opera browser, so I am working with that. You can see I've opened that, and we have done half screen it also. So we have to put some of the images here at the center and making a conference page. So here I will be making a one tag which will be like this one. Then I'll be writing HTML and pressing enter or tab to get all the starting code of that. You can see we are getting starting code when I press enter. You can press tab also to get starting code. So here I'll be writing conference page. You can write here conference web page, save here, and then reload here. You can see we are getting conference web page written here. Now simply I will be doing one thing, like I'll be moving here and writing h1 tag in which I will be given the heading of conference, because we are making this conference web page and we'll be given the heading of conference web page. Save here and reload. So just reload that now. You can see now we are getting conference web page written here at the side, but we want it should be in center, having good font family, because it is random font family coming of sans serif. We don't want that, and I also want like some of the images coming down here. So simply I'll be doing one thing now. I'll be opening another tab and opening Google directly from here, and I want to take one conference image. So you can see I have opened one website. So you can just search here images of conference. So just search here conference, and all the images of conference will be coming. You can see. So these are some of the images which we are getting related to conference. You can download these images from Google also by writing conference images, but like I'm telling you previously also, we are not getting so much good resolution and so much good pixels on that pics when we download from Google. If we download from any website like Unsplash or any other, so you will be getting good resolution pic and good things which you want. So here simply I'll be taking this one. If I show you, so just put this image here, just press download free from here, and you can see it will be downloading fast. So it is of 6.4 MB, so it will be not taking too much time to download. But if your internet is not working or it is going slow, so it will be taking time. You can see it is installed. Here I will be now closing this tab here which we are getting. Here I will be opening on my folder here. There is my image. So here I'll be given the name of like background, press enter. Then you have to just drag and drop it on desktop, so we can define location of desktop. You can see we have drag and drop. Now I'll be refreshing that. Then go to your Sublime text and your this web page. So here now I have to define my image, but before that I want to style that. So we have now done, and we have download one image from internet. Now here we have to link our style sheet, so when we are writing any code in our CSS sheet, so it should be looking good. So here I will be writing a style.css, save here and reload. So nothing happens because only we have linked our CSS sheet. Go to your style.css again. Here I will be now writing a tag which should be like this one. Then I will be writing font family which should be Montserrat. So here I will be writing comma sans serif, save and reload. You can see we are getting it Montserrat font family. Now here I want it should be center aligned, so here I will be now moving down. Then write h1 because it is written in h1 tag, and then right here text align center, so it should be in center. Give it save, go to and refresh. You can see now it is center. Here you can see. So now when you have done that in center, here you have to do simply one thing. Here now just we want that one image should be coming underneath here. So here I will be going to my index.html. Then I will be going underneath this h1 tag. Here I will be making image tag, and in source I will be defining my image.background.jpg file, which was my image name. So if you are having any other name of your image, you can write and just see that what format of your image is, like it is of JPEG, PNG, or in what format you are having your image. So here I will be writing alt, means if my image not come, so what command should I write? So you can write image not found, save and reload. You can see we are getting our image. Now here I will be doing one thing. Here I will be given the width of my image and height of my image. So if I do height 100, width 100 pixel and height 100 pixel, save and reload. You can see this is too small image. Now if I do that to 500, save and reload. So you can see we are getting this, and it is also should be 500. Save and reload here. So you can see we are getting our image like this, but we want it should be aligned. So here I will be doing one thing. Here I will be taking its width to more. Save and reload here. And you can see we are just getting our image here at our background, and just I want it height also should be looking good. So if I do that 700 reload, so you can see now my image is looking good. Here you can see we are getting our image. Now when you are getting our image, just I want this conference web page is good. We are getting our image also. Now underneath this image we should getting our paragraphs. So here I will be moving here. There I will be just writing p tag, then just lorem ipsum tag I will be using here to write random text. You can write your own text if you want to write, but I will be using lorem ipsum because I won't already make and written my own text. You can use your own text to write here, but I am using lorem ipsum random text. Copy this here. Now when you have copied this, just you have to move here, make p tag again, and then paste it. Save here and reload. Now you can see we are getting a space here, and we are getting two paragraphs here. So you can see how good looking is that we are getting here, and it is looking good. And now I will be giving some color to here, and then I will be writing conference page with subheading here. So just move here now. Then you have to come here and then write here h2. Just give some space. h2. Then here I will be writing conference web page again. So we can also get one subheading. Save and reload. You can see we are getting one subheading also here, and we are getting these things which we have to write. So you can see successfully we have made one normal conference page in HTML and CSS which we have to made. You can do it center aligned, but when I write underneath image, so it is left aligned, is looking good, not the center. I have done left aligned. You can see it is looking good and awesome, and we have just successfully made it. So I hope you understand this, how to build a conference page here in HTML and CSS, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed, hit the like button. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you have not shared the video yet, share it with your friends and family members so they can learn what is coding, how to do coding, and how to make projects with HTML and CSS, which are really easy to make. So I hope you understand. So we'll be meeting in next project. So for today, goodbye.